We just signed with China yesterday, right? Just signed with China. We're having some great deals. We have one coming up, maybe with India, very big one, where we're going to open up India. In the China deal, we're starting to open up China, things that never really could have happened. And the relationship with every country has been very good.
It's great news. The United States and China agreeing on a framework that could lead to a trade deal after restarting talks in Geneva last month. This as the S&P 500 and NASDAQ approach record highs and summer gas prices hitting a 4-year low. Co-host of the Big Money Show, Brian Brenberg, joins us now. Brian,
hey,
this is good news.
It is so nice to be with you on a Friday and have good news.
Happy Friday.
We are right on the precipice of stocks hitting all-time highs. Think about that. I mean,
great.
Go back to April and think about all the panic, all the financial press telling you how bad things could be, what tariffs were going to do. And if you listen to them and you sold stocks, then you've missed out on one of the greatest rallies we've ever seen. So you've got an economy right now with low inflation, pretty strong job numbers. You've got tax cuts on the way. You've got trade deals happening. This is one of those moments where the growth engine of America is really starting to rev. And it's pretty exciting, by the way, to see companies getting in on that because they love what this tax bill might do in terms of creating new breaks for building factories and investing in equipment and R&D. And so they're relocating here. It is a really exciting moment. It's a really growthy moment, and that's really good for the American worker, because it means their wages are going to head up.
Well, we all have 401ks, or most of us do, and we also have to fill up our gas tanks.
That's right.
And it's summer, and that's when the voter actually can see, when they pass the gas station, what the prices are.
And they're passing it a lot every week.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let's talk about GE. This is exciting news, too, because GE is going to spend nearly $500 million to move production of their washing machines from China to the Louisville, Kentucky headquarters.
Yes. So this is a couple things, all right? One, it's the tariff story, right? Because we still do have higher tariffs on China, and companies don't want to pay that if they're selling these wash machines to Americans. So that's part of it.
Right.
But the other part of it is Trump is making America a really great place to build factories. That's the point of this tax bill. It's not just to have the stick of, hey, you might get a tariff. It's the carrot of build your stuff in the greatest place on earth to invest and grow. This is where GE Appliances customers are. So they want to be near the customer.
Yeah.
They want to be near the designers. It makes business sense to do this. But from sort of an American national security standpoint, it also makes a lot of sense in that regard. So it's a kind of a win-win. And it shows you the power of policy aligned with like a very pro-capitalist view of the world. And we finally got that back in America
It's a perfect example. Everyone was flipping out over these tariffs, but now this is a product of that. What's happening is you used to buy things from China because it was so much cheaper. But with the tariffs, it makes everything equal. Right?
Yep.
And so now companies are coming here because then we don't have to pay the tariff. It's going to be cheaper to buy a washing machine from GE.
And can I tell you, actually, some people freaked out about the tariffs. Smart companies started making plans.
Right.
And smart investors put money to work. And both of those sets of people are doing very well right now. Panic has been, time and again this year, the worst possible strategy for anybody to pursue.
Thank you so much, Brian, for
You bet.
coming on.
Good to see you.
You can watch Brian on the Big Money Show. It's from noon to 2 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Time on Fox Business.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.